happened. Last night I started my period. You know what that means? No more this. Thanks. Underwear that absorbs your period. Okay, listen, Linda. I wish this video was sponsored, but it's not. We've all heard of period underwear, and it's about time we try it out. I'm okay with tampons, but I get psyched out sometimes, so I'm more of a pad girly. Toxic shock syndrome is rare. Rare, but real.
Caused by bacteria getting into the body and releasing harmful toxins. It's often associated with tampon use in young women.
Maybe it's time to evolve, who knows? I only bought 4, so you best believe we're gonna be running that washing machine like no other. Product innovation and advocacy for social change. That is me in a package. These are moderate controls, so these are for the lighter average days. Because I am tater-tottering on the heavier days. Super.
The super level of absorbency can hold up to 5 regular tampons. That's insanity.
Of course your girl got the hip huggers. Alright, they're actually pretty heavy. They're literally padded up all the way to your crack. Is this too close personal? I don't know how toilet paper. Dang it. This is a very intimate topic. I get it. The loo is a bonding safe space. This is the correct way of wearing it. I'm a size large. This is the hip hugger style. Again, the inside has this like fabric padding. This is weird. Okay. They look pretty good. I thought these would be more high-waisted, which would feel a little bit more comfortable because they are kind of sliding down my tummy. But I mean, you can make it work, right? Ooh, it feels so comfy. It's very thick in the area. Pretty friendly for overnight. Again, today is one of my heavier days, so we're gonna have to see how this goes. This feels so homey to my body. I love it. Well, I'll update you guys. It hasn't even been 5 minutes and I have a complaint already. They slide off your hip. Maybe wear your pants to like bandage it against your body like this. Maybe this will help hold it. I'm gonna have to look if they have high-waisted period underwear. That would be better suited for my situation. They do have high-waisted.
Clearly, I didn't do my due diligence. The hip hugger was advertised to me, so I jumped on it like a cowgirl. What you should do is select the absorbency you prefer, for example, super for max protection, then decide which style you like. Personally, I should have selected high-waisted.
This is weird, but it doesn't hug my hip. So if you have a belly like I do where it hangs over the fupa, keep this in mind. You know what they say about periods? It makes you emotional. I'm an emotional mess, but I'm tired of using that excuse for the way I am when I'm emotional. Like, it's not fair to a woman. Are you like me when you cry a lot, you need to pee? Yeah, I need to pee. So, we need to check the updates. Oh, Faye, why are you crying? I don't want to hear it. Whoa, this is weird. Oh my. Honestly, is it even okay to show you guys this?
There's a little trace left on your undie, but it's not wet, active, or slushy at all. In general, the period undie is super dry. You wouldn't even notice.
God, I'm kind of shook that it's just like a pad. It's like you're wearing a pad, but you don't have to worry about it. Now, don't get it twisted. You still have to wipe your ass. It's kind of odd because it doesn't feel wet, sticky, or anything in that area. You only really see a tracing of Miss Flo herself, but Miss Flo is deep down and under. It's not a soggy diaper or anything. It feels completely fine. I walked my 10K steps. It's time to sit and do the ultimate sitting test. Hold, place, shimmer. Moment of truth. I've been sitting for about 2 hours and I'm very scared to stand up right now. I feel it. You know, it's that kind right now. So, okay. Oh, whoa, Miss Flo. Flowing down right now like it doesn't feel wet. It's so weird. That's the life of a woman. I'm gonna want to go in and check for me. Nothing? So far we're clear. Truth. I just took a nap. I have to get up. That wasn't too bad. It's so weird. Is it okay that I have the same underwear on all day?
You can totally wear your Thinks period underwear for the full day and carry a backup if your flow is extra heavy that day. I went with one during the day and one overnight. It was perfect.
Today has been a test. I don't look well, but that's fine. But you know what has been consistent? Thanks. Thanks to thanks. I think I'm just gonna throw this in the washer. Or do I hand wash them?
Yes, you can throw it in the washer. It can last you up to 40 washes or 2 years and longer.
I swear these are new. Okay, before I shower, this is the used undie. As you can tell, it looks perfectly fine, a little saggy. If you look quite closely to the backing, is this nasty that I'm touching it? There's just blood seeped in here. The padding is so crazy good. You literally see no leakage or no imprint. Nonetheless, let's not confuse this with the new one. That was suck. What I'm actually gonna do is just keep it in the wash because this is educational purposes only. We're gonna run it nightly. I think naturally what I would do is just keep the used undies in like a baggie or its own Tupperware. Hamper, laundry basket, whatever, until I'm ready to wash it all at once. And then you'll be ready to go within a couple hours of laundry. Good morning. I'm nervous to get up, so I've been stalling. Normally when I get up with the pad, I like tend to clamp up my leg, chopstick my legs together, and like walk like this to the bathroom. I think I have like a tiny little like drippity. Or normally at nighttime, I tend to not bleed. Because of the way I sleep, I just like keep my body very flat. So I can't really give you the full rundown on how overnights went. In my opinion, so far so good. It was so comfortable to wear too. So comfortable. Way better than wearing a big ass pad. I am putting on my new pair of undies and we're wearing the medium flow right now. These are the overnight. They're stinky. Don't be shocked by the odor. It is a stench, that's for sure. It's fine now, but I'm just saying the initial stench is like heavy.
What I mean is, when you first unveil the undie doing your business, it's stinking wanky. The period absorbing underwear claims to be odor controlling, and it's true. You don't smell anything out and about. I just mean when you unleash the panties from your pie slice, you definitely get a whiff.
Okay. And it's done. They're clean. It's pretty dry too. Do we air dry them?
Okay, you should always air dry your panties. It'll be able to take a tumble or two in the dryer, but to keep their integrity on par, make sure you stray away from heat. It can last you up to 40 washes or 2 years and longer.
I'm gonna air dry one. I'm gonna put one in the dryer. It's not stinky. I'm gross. Being dry. Yeah, she's done. Wow, so quick. Yesterday was the roughest, toughest day. So I wasn't able to really come on and give you guys an update. I don't know why the liner one, I was thinking, oh my god, we can see the leakage, the tracing or the outline. You don't see anything.
They're largely stain resistant.
Literally just a normal undie. Definitely used. And the fact is, it's not like gushing out when I like helicopter it. Okay, that's nasty. We just got home. We went out and about all day. Girl, these panties are like amazing. I had no discomfort. I barely can tell I'm even on my period. It's wow. Normally around this time, I'm like super light. It's very light. It's almost like spotty. I wear spandex on top of my undies to sleep, or even during the day. I feel like that helps me keep them on better. I actually wore these all night and all day yesterday. They feel completely fine. It doesn't really feel like a pad that you need to switch it in and out. And the craziest thing is like they're always dry, so it's not like a nasty wet pad. I'm rotating back to my heavy flow undies, even though it's very light right now. But yeah. Just keep in mind that the inside padding is black, so it's not like it's red and you can see. I'm really impressed. Honestly, I just love that I've not experienced any itchiness, rashes, irritation, redness. Like I get super inflamed around my bikini lines wearing pads. I advocate for these period undies. I really do. They're really amazing. Anyway, laundry.
All in all, here's my conclusion. Just do it. They're so easy to wear. Just pop them in the wash. Get a bundle so you save more money. I just don't have to worry about anything wearing these panties. I have a new sense of outlet. If I want to wear my period undies, I could. If you're skeptical, trust me, I was too. Just get a pair and try it and then just thank me later. And if you really want to stick to your pads, I recommend Kotex. This is our big sister, little sister talk for the day. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't